Sir, anong lamang yan sa V variant ng Corolla Cross? Sige, from Kobe Escobar, shoutout sa'yo. This comment was actually guys from our Toyota Corolla Cross GRS 2026 model review, and it's now up on the channel for those who wanna see it. So right now, let's just quickly compare the GRS variant versus the V variant ni Corolla Cross. So right at the top of my head, no, what I can remember is, sige, simulan muna natin sa similar or ano yung mga common nilang dalawa ni GRS tsaka ni V variant. So of course, the same engine, 1.8 liter hybrid gasoline engine, same dimensions, same din sila guys na merong 360-degree camera. So that's a very good news for those who don't want the base model and willing to pay more for the V variant. So meron siyang 360-degree camera, and pareho din silang merong Toyota Safety Sense or yung Advanced Driving Aid Assist Systems ni Toyota. So it's really cool that sobrang similar nilang dalawa, and around 100,000 pesos yung kanilang difference, or maybe close to 200. Kasi 1.8 million si V variant and then close to 2 million na or 1.9 million si GRS. So ano nga ba yung pinagkaiba lang talaga nilang dalawa? So what I can remember is yung number one is yung panoramic sunroof. Okay? Si GRS variant lang po ang meron nun. Unfortunately, si V variant, mid variant is wala po siya ng panoramic moonroof. And then the next one that I can remember na main difference, of course, the cosmetics or yung honeycomb grille, yung sporty looks, and then yung mga GR badging all around the or all over the car. Yun, push start sa seats, meron GR, and then red accents all over. So aside from those cosmetics na differences nila is yung suspension din ni GRS is may ano siya, GRS na suspension, like modified to be a GRS, something like that. Sa suspension nila McPherson tsaka torsion beam is GRS, and then yung GR design na wheels ni top spec GRS variant. So this one is really cool and very interesting guys. Siguro so that you can know everything that I might have missed, I made a Corolla Cross variant comparison for all of you guys. Salin na rin natin yung base model G. So G versus V versus GRS. It's now up on the channel. So go ahead and just search it up on our YouTube channel. And sana nakatulong. Follow for more.